Gen X is facing a retirement reality they likely didn't anticipate. For many, it's a wake up call that's long overdue. And if you're one of them, you're probably wondering how to navigate a future that might look different than you'd hoped. It's not just about how much you've saved, it's about how secure that savings will be in the face of inflation, stock market volatility, and a shifting economy. The surprising reality of Gen X retirement statistics might be unsettling, but understanding the situation is the first step toward taking control of your financial future. The average Gen X retiree is sitting on a retirement savings account with far less than they need. A study found that over 60% of people in this generation have less than $100,000 saved for retirement, which, as you may know, isn't nearly enough to live comfortably, especially if you plan on living well into your 80s or beyond. But here's where things get even more challenging. Unlike previous generations, Gen X faces a less stable social security system, fewer pensions, and rising healthcare costs. Now you may think, I have my 401k, my IRA, and maybe even a couple of good investments. But have you thought about what happens to those assets when the market takes a downturn or inflation hits? The reality is, many traditional investment strategies just aren't built for the long-term security needed in retirement. And that's why more and more retirees are turning to gold IRAs to help protect their wealth from these unpredictable threats. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, you should check out the first link in the description. Thousands of Americans are securing their financial future by investing in gold IRAs, which offer a hedge against inflation and stock market volatility. By moving your retirement funds into gold, you're adding a level of protection and stability that typical stocks or bonds just can't offer. Let's be clear. It's not that 401ks and traditional IRAs are bad. They're just not as resilient as gold IRAs when it comes to preserving wealth. The stock market is inherently unpredictable, and with the threat of a recession or even just fluctuating interest rates, the value of your savings could significantly decline. Gold, however, has maintained its value through countless financial crises. It's a tangible asset that doesn't lose value the way paper money does. What's more, gold IRAs are backed by actual gold, so they're not reliant on a company's performance or the ups and downs of the stock market. The potential for growth in a gold IRA is steady and secure, and it's a strategy that fits particularly well for American retirees who are looking to protect what they've worked hard to build. If you're wondering how to move forward with gold IRAs, it's easier than you might think. The process is relatively straightforward, and once your gold IRA is set up, you'll begin seeing a level of financial security you may have been missing all along. It's a solution that gives you peace of mind, knowing your wealth is safe from the kinds of risks that affect other investments. The surprising reality of Gen X retirement statistics is that most people aren't prepared for the future they envision. But it doesn't have to be that way. By diversifying your retirement portfolio into a gold IRA, you can take control and ensure your savings will be protected no matter what happens in the financial markets. If you have 100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even up to $5 million in savings, gold IRAs can be the perfect way to safeguard your future. So take action today. Don't wait until it's too late to make the changes that can help you retire comfortably. If you're ready to secure your wealth, check out the link in the description for the best free gold IRA guide. It's packed with everything you need to get started. Remember, your retirement doesn't have to be a gamble. With a gold IRA, you can ensure your financial future is as bright as you've always hoped.